Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a crochet hair unit designed especially for someone with hair loss across the front hairline. A link will be in the description for all of the products that I'm using so that you can make your own crochet hair unit. So without further ado, let's get started with making this crochet hair unit. After combing all of my hair back, I'll go ahead and put in the design pattern for my crochets. I'm using Jam Extra Hold Gel for braiding my hair and also for preparing my hair for the crochets. Next, you want to make sure that the cap is going to fit your head properly, and that means you're going to need to resize it. Making sure that it fits in the back, leaving out the area where you're going to crochet your own hoop. Now match up the lines you've made, making sure to align the holes in the cap and then sew the seams together. Now don't you worry about what's going on. It's only friendly business when we talk on the phone. See what you're doing, we're driving away. Next, I use my Tailor's chalk to make lines on the wig cap, marking off where I'm going to put each crochet so that the hair is not too thick. Now it's time to finally crochet. Take your time, insert the hairs through the hole where you put your markings, and once you've crocheted the entire back of the unit, you can look and see where you may need to add more hair. Fold the elastic front under to make the strip more narrow. What I'm doing here is making an illusion of a hairline. I'm just going to take the crochet hair and spread it open and then sew it onto this elastic strap, pulling the hairs back and forth at random and then sewing through them. It's not hard to do. Just watch and see how I do it, and it gives the illusion of hair being on the forehead. And of course, you know this is going to be important if you have alopecia or thin hair because you don't have any hair at your very front hairline.
cross the line, we can't go back, can't go back. Oh no, I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes a man. One more time, oh, I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes a man. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes a man. See, I'm getting lonely, but I ain't so low that I would ever try to move in any place and steal your show. I'm a respectable lady, won't you understand that I would never go behind your back and try to go stealing your man. 'Cause when he's hanging with his boys late at night, he turns to me to talk when you argue and fight. Even if he wants to see me undressed, I'm a woman of integrity. With your fierce, just insecurity. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes your man. One more time, oh, I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes your man. Now don't you worry about what's going on. It's only friendly business when we talk on the phone. See what you're doing, we'll drive him away. You need a little space even every day. If you're squeezing a bit too tight, you slip out of your hands and run right out of time. Hey, I think you need to get it.
Now crochet 2 rows in the back using your own hair.
Oh, his interest is about to live. Take it easy and he'll bother you. Let it breathe if your love is true. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes a man. No, not me, no. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl. I don't wanna be that girl who takes a man. I could take it. I could have been believed. I'd rather leave it alone. I've got a world of my own. I ain't got time for that. 'Cause if we cross the line, we can't go back, can't go back.
Great White Adhesive by Walkers. Very easy to use. Just gonna paint my hairline. I'm going to use 2 layers, letting the first one dry clear. Okay, now just want to pull it close to the hairline. Take some of the hairs and just smooth them. And just smooth them into the hairline, making my baby hairs in my hairline. Really easy. Use my spatula if needed. And the same thing with the front hairline. Taking a little bit of those hairs that I made my front hairline with and just making me a hairline. I hope you all like the way that I did this unit. And of course, if it's a unit you'd like for me to make for you, my contact information is in the description. And I'm always happy to work with you and to make you look your very best. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. If you've not done so already, please don't leave yet before you subscribe, like, share, thumbs up, and let others know what I'm doing here on Miss Lola's Hair and More. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.